New growing concern in Mississippi. Health officials say they have available vaccine appointments, but few takers. Some experts are blaming public distrust, specifically among Republicans. Let's go right to NBC's Gary Grumbach, who can offer the answers for us from Jackson, Mississippi. How are health officials, Gary, planning to reach out to those people who appear to be hesitant about the vaccine?
Hey there, Alex. Yeah, 1 in 3 people over the age of 65 are unvaccinated here in Mississippi right now. And it's not, as you mentioned, for lack of supply. There is plenty of supply. It's all about demand. Right now, there's 70,000 open appointments available on the State Department of Health website. And what is causing this? What are the factors around this? Well, there are factors that have been here long before coronavirus was here in Mississippi. First of all, it's rural access. To put it simply, things are just far away from each other in rural Mississippi. It takes a while to get from the pharmacy back home or vice versa. And that's an issue, especially with people who don't have reliable transportation to get a vaccine. And then, of course, as you mentioned, it does all happen to come down to politics. According to a Quinnipiac poll out this week, 45% of conservatives nationwide say they're not getting a vaccine. And that matters because here in deep red Mississippi, that's certainly going to start showing up in the numbers. Another place where it starts showing up in the numbers is when it comes to just general mistrust of vaccines. Mississippi has a very significant black population in the state. And 40% of blacks right now in Mississippi have been vaccinated. That's a lot to make up for the state to do, and they certainly have the appointments to do so. So what, as you mentioned, is the state doing about all this? Well, they're trying to get the vaccine to the people instead of vice versa. They're using schools, churches, community health centers, doctors' offices, anywhere they can that is close to people and where they live to get this vaccine. I want to introduce you to one woman. Her name is Joyce Hart. She was on her way to church this Sunday morning. She's been vaccinated, and she has a word for some folks who have not.
My message is shame on you. You need to save your life and save the life of your community. We have a lot of people, even here in Mississippi, that are still getting infected as of today and not wearing masks. And all of our young people all over the state are getting together in these social places and in restaurants, and they shame on them. That's how I feel. Their parents taught them better, and they need to be home, and they need to have on a mask, and they need not to be out thinking that there's this kind of freedom to spread a virus to someone else. That's how I feel.
Now, the state health department tells me they are in touch with the White House about what they can do about these rural communities and getting them vaccinated. One of the options could possibly be preloaded syringes like they do with the flu shot.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.